Okay, good morning, guys. How are you doing today? Good morning, online. Good morning. Okay, so did you completed your practicals? Yes, sir. Done? Everyone. Nice. How about online? Did you completed your practicals? Nice. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is, as I said, let's talk about images. What we're going to do, we'll just go and launch Linux EC2 instance and we'll try to create an image out of it. While creating the image, what are the questions that we get? After creating the image, what we do, everything we'll see today. Okay. So let me share my screen. Okay. Can you please confirm? Can you see my screen and can you hear me well? Hmm? Okay. So let's go to EC2. Okay. And let's go to instance and launch the instance. Click on launch. And I call it as Linux instance. Browse more AMIs. Which one, Anna? Quick start and then free tier only. Select it and then select our Red Hat. And then come down. T2 micro. Key pair. Let's go with 9 AM batch. I think I should be having 9 AM batch. And did we converted that to PPK? No, no. This is my another. So it's not there. So what do? We'll convert. Okay. And then we go and launch or edit it. And then I'll put it in 1A, select existing security group, default, and then boom, launch. Do you see this? Was it there before? It was not there, no? Yes. See, anytime. So you should not get surprised when you see something new feature, because AWS will keep on improving some features, right? So anytime you can see some small option or something. So don't get afraid, just try to read it. If it is relevant for you, check it, otherwise leave it. Okay, na? So the tags that you have assigned determine whether the instance will be backed up by any data style policies. Okay, it's not required. So did we remember, do you remember we discussed about data lifecycle manager? So it was not there before. From here, so we can see the data lifecycle manager. What does it says? Creating backups can we help to prevent data loss? That means can we go ahead and then take a image out of it automatically? Yes. So let's go and click and launch instance. So I have launched the instance. So by the time this is up and running, what should we convert to PPK? PEM to PPK. So I think putty is not there because they might have formatted. Putty is not there. Should we go and install putty? Putty Google. I mean, yeah, here. Putty download for Windows. This guy. And then which one, Anna? 64-bit x86, no? This guy. And also we need to install putty gen. This guy. So I open Puttigen and then load. Which one we need to select? Which one you need to load? PEM file you need to load. So 9 a.m. batch PEM file. And then we need to save. So I call it as here 9 a.m. batch ppk file. Save. So now it's done. So I need to open what now? I mean, putty to connect to the machine, correct? Okay, good. Let's see if this machine is ready. Okay, so I no need to connect to the machine now because we need to create image. Okay, so now let's see. We have launched this EC2 instance, and yesterday, Chitty, have you gone through all these actions? Everyone? Okay, so now what we do is here in image, we need to go and click on create image. So what is an image? Copy of the OS or copy of the entire EC2 instance is called the image. So how many, okay, Linux EC, this Linux instance, I will call it as parent instance. Okay, now just to remind you, okay, just to, right now we need to talk about it. So I call it as parent machine. Okay, so parent machine has how many volumes? How many volumes? What are those? Root volume and did I added additional volume? Then how many volumes are there? Only one volume. No, so that is the root volume we have. So we don't have two volumes. I'm not asking what different types of volumes. Okay. So for at the moment, it has only how many volumes? Only one volume. That is what volume? Root volume. So when I take an image, so does the image also contain this volume? Yes or no? Yes. So let's go ahead and then create image. Okay. And this is an instance, an image name. So I call it as my Linux image. You can give any name. Description also you can give, but it's optional. And here, no reboot. If you enable it, it will not reboot the machine. So can you take the image while EC2 is running? Yes, we can take the image. Remember, did we learn this in image section or not? Yeah. Okay, now see here. Instance volumes. Did I tell you that while creating image, does it contains volumes also inside it? Yes. The parent machine has how many volumes? Only one. What volume is that? Root volume. So this is also root volume or not? This is the parent instance root volume. How much size is this? 10 GB. So was it encrypted while launching the EC2 instance? No, that's why it is not encrypted here. But here the certification question would be like this. So your parent machine has how much GB size? 10 GB. But while you're creating an image out of it, can you increase the size? That is here. Can I increase from 10 GB to how much ever I want? Yes. So if the parent machine has some particular values, you can create with the same copy. But if at all you want to change or increase the volume size of the, it can be root volume, it can be additional volume. Can you do it? Possible, right? So please write down in your books. So put the heading as images. Images. Okay. So what's the point, Hannah? So the point is here is while creating a image from the EC2 instance, volume sizes can be modified. If the EC2 instance, okay, write this and I'll ask the question. Okay. So when I say the parent EC2 instance is encrypted, no. So are we encrypting EC2 instance or are we encrypting volume? Volume. Remember, EC2 instance can be encrypted? No. Which one will be encrypting it? Volumes will be encryption, right? So if your EC2 instance, I mean your parent EC2 instance is not encrypted, your image volume is encrypted. That's what we learned. Now, if source is encrypted, destination is encrypted. If source is not encrypted, destination also not encrypted. So here, our root volume size, the parent EC2 instance volume is not encrypted. So the image is also here not encrypted, right? So if the parent EC2 instance is not encrypted, image is also not encrypted. Okay, ma? Next. Okay, so can you change delete on termination also? Uncheck it? Yes. Okay, that is the basically for the root volume. So now, while creating image, can we add additional volumes also? But the parent machine has the additional volume? No. The parent EC2 instance doesn't have the additional. But while you creating image out of it, can we add additional volume? Yes. How? Click on add volume. So the question here is, right, we can add additional volume while creating a image. While creating the image. We can add additional volumes while creating a image. Okay. Done. Next, see here. Can I go and click on add volume? Add volume. Here is one small twist. So volumes are classified into two types. What are those? EBS volumes and ISV volume. Did I told you that is it possible for us to create ISV volumes? No. So you are in that mindset, right? But additional volumes can be instance store volumes. Our C drive, our root volume is EBS. Can I have D drive as instance store volume also? Yes. Do you see this here? We can add instance store volumes up to 23 instance store volumes we can add. But yes, I told you initially that you cannot add. But when I say you can add, you will get confused at that time. For that reason, so, but still, instance store volumes, you cannot create it. While creating image only, you can select. Is it possible to create like a volume? No. So instance store volumes can be added while creating the image. Certification question. So instance store volumes can be added while creating the image. How many, Nana? Maximum? Maximum ISV volumes. How many? 23. Hold on. Okay, maximum ESV volume is 23. 24. Yeah, of course, 0 to 23. So in total, it is 24. And also, the volume size is fixed. You know how much? You saw. Okay, good. So how much is that? 80. So this is bad. So when I was showing in the other batch, this is grayed out completely. This was grayed out completely, but now this is open. So I'm not sure now how much maximum I can give it here. Let's see here. Yeah, yeah. Oh, correct. Thank you, Dilshar. I didn't select it. So add volume. Yes. How much, Nana? Yeah, thank you. That was 80 only, right? So if I didn't select anything here, then if I select ABS, obviously, what is the maximum size you can give? What is the maximum size? EBS, 16 terabytes. You can have here 16 terabyte. But if you select any of the instant store volumes, then what is the maximum size that you can have? 80 GB. So here I'll put maximum size by default is 80 GB. Thank you, Dilshar. Maximum ISV size by default is 80 GB. Clear? Okay. Next. So like this, how many you can add, Nana? 24 in total. So 0 to 23. So I'm not going to add here, but we'll create a volumes separately. But do you understand, while creating an image, you can add eBase volumes also, instance store volumes also. So that also right. While creating a image, we can add volumes and ISV. I mean eBase volumes and ISV also. Okay, nice. Let's go back. Okay, now at the moment, how many volumes are there? Only one. So how many volumes are there? Remember, I told you this in theory. While creating an image, how many volumes are there? Those many snapshots will get created. Yes or no? So here do you see? During the image creation process, Amazon EC2 creates a snapshot of each of the above volumes. So how many volumes are there? Those many snapshots will get created, right? Do you want me to write, or you already wrote it in the Paint? But right, because it is in image section, no? Okay. While creating a image, how many volumes based on the volumes it has on the EC2 instance, those many snapshots will get created automatically. Okay, ma? Nice. Let's move on. Okay, so now I'm not adding any additional volume here. It has only one root volume. So that's fine. Tags are optional. So while creating this image, now image will also create it parallelly, snapshot will also create it. So if you want to keep the tags for image and snapshot together, keep it. Otherwise, you can tag it separately. Okay, I'm selecting this. So Nana, so do I need to do anything here? So image name, description, I'm not doing anything. So I'm just going and creating a image. Do you all understood how to create an image? Click on create image. So in your real time, based on your requirement, you can add additional volumes. You can add instance store volumes also. Okay, na? Instance store volumes are free. Instance store volumes are free. If you add, okay, in image, if you added instance store volume 0 as 80 GB, and you from image, what you can launch again? EC2 instance, no? So if you launch EC2 instance and you log into it, do you see the D drive with 80 GB? Yes. Yes or no? Okay. So now I have created an image. Where are the images are available? Do you see this here? AMIs are there. But so if I click on it, do you see this image here? This is the image. But images are stored in S3. But do you need to go to S3? No, it is visible here only. But whose S3 is that? Provider's S3. We no need to worry about it. That's just a question. That's it. Huh? Okay, now let's come back here. So here we have the filters, Nana. So owned by me, meaning my AMI, our AMIs. Private images meaning our AMIs only. Public images meaning, so if you select it, you will get so many OMA 57,133 public images are available. But is it recommended to select this and launch an EC2 instance? No, don't do that. If at all you have a requirement, then. So you can disable the image also, we'll see. So here owned by me. So this is the image. So can you search the image also with the image ID? And all this information also you can search it. Okay. So now select this. Can you go and launch an instance from this AMI? If you click on it, generally browse more AMIs, we'll just click no. Instead of, you no need to click that, directly image will get selected. That's the only difference. If you click on launch instance from this AMI. So do you see this here? My Linux image is already selected or not? So you no need to select this here. So based on this, you can launch a EC2 instance. Okay. Next here. Okay, let's come to actions. What is this? Copy AMI. What is it, Nana? Copy. Do you remember we discussed about copy option? So is it possible to copy the image from one region to other region? Let's say, for example, in which region we are? Mumbai. Our image is also in which region? Mumbai. So my images are in Mumbai. So I have a requirement that this image should be available in where? Ireland. Where? Ireland. So can you do it? Of course. Be careful. Listen this carefully. Listen this carefully. So which operating system, which EC2 instance I have selected? Linux or Windows? What is the root volume size? 10 GB. So if you are copying the image meaning also how much GB? 10 GB. If you're copying this image from one region to another region, data transfer will happen or not? How much GB? 10 GB. AWS will charge for this data transfer. But for us, they don't charge because it is only 10 GB. But if you created Windows EC2 instance and you took the image, and from that image, you are copying that image to another region. What is the size of the Windows machine? So AWS will charge for 30 GB. So which one is preferred to create Linux? Understood? So this is a small hint I'm giving. So many people will get the bills here in this place only. And also one more thing I'm saying. So click on copy AMI. Let's say, should I copy to other region? Okay, click on copy AMI. To which region you want to copy? Ireland. And also, see here, see me. If the source is not encrypted, destination is also not encrypted. If the source is encrypted, destination is encrypted. If the source is not encrypted and your destination should be encrypted, what option? What option? Same option. Copy option. copy AMI. If you click it, copy AMI will do two things for you. One is it will copy from one region to other region, and also in the bottom, do you see this? You can encrypt also. So copy option will give you two things. Copy AMI gives you two options. What are this? Copying from one region to other region, and second one is encryption. Remember this. That's why I said in the theory, copy option. So here let us write. Copy AMI option will give copy AMI will give you two options. Okay. Number one, copy from one region to another region. And also one more thing. Encryption. Okay, ma? Okay, na? Nice. Okay, so I'm not encrypting it. Should I copy it to the Ireland region? Select this. See here. AMI copy name. I call it as Ireland. Huh? I click on copy AMI. So now to which region we should go and check? Ireland. Come on, what happened? Okay, it got copied. So quickly, I think I have clicked 2 times, but let's see. So open a new window, open a new window. In which region I need to select? Ireland region. Yes. Which region? Ireland region. So here on we have AMI. And do you see this? I copied 2 times, no? Unnecessarily. So now it is what? Pending. So you know how to copy it, no? Don't wait until it's available. Just go ahead and then fasak. Here, delete meaning here, deregister, delete it. Don't wait. If you do this, you don't get any 1 rupee also price. Okay. Then if you keep on wait until it is available, then bill also will be available for you. Okay. So don't wait. So you know how to copy it now. So just see there and then go ahead and then delete it. Delete meaning here, deregister. So you can write also in your book. So delete AMI is equal to deregister AMI. Delete AMI is equal to deregister AMI. Priyanka, if you copy from one region to other region, then it will happen. Okay, na? Is it clear how to copy? You understand what is copy AMI now? Really? Okay. So should I go and encrypt also? Yes. How? Click on copy AMI and then I call it as encrypted. So I'll copy in the same region. You understand? I'm encrypting the non-encryption image to encryption image using copy option. So you select it and then click on. So I want to see in the same Mumbai region. I click on copy AMI. See? Image got created. No. This is the first image. It is encrypted image. Select Jelida. Delete. Deregister AMI. Right? And then again, how to do it? You tell me now. Actions. Copy AMI. So I did this purposefully. Someone will ask or not. Right? So everyone are like, Sari is doing. So now here encrypted. Here you need to select Encryption. Otherwise, it is encrypted. If I just write encrypted, you'll get encrypted. No. So you need to select the option. So you have, and remember, if you want to encrypt it, AWS/EBS is there. So by default, it is selected. Click on copy AMI. So now it is encrypted. Now clear? Sir, instantly delete, not charge. Yes, it will not. You understood how to encrypt the image also? Nice. So next, let's go here and edit AMI permissions. What is that? Edit AMI permissions. So by default, these images are public or private? By default, images are public or private? Private. So somewhere I heard public, right? By default, it is private. So do you see this is a visibility is private. So that by default, images are private. Can you make it public? Yes. How? Go here, edit AMI permissions. So do you see this? Can you make it public? Here it is maybe it is creating. This option has been deactivated by the administrator of account. So if you enable it, you can do it because I'm using organizations concept here. So I have disabled it. So here, can you make it public if required? Yes, you can make it public. And can you share the image from one account to another account? How? With the AWS ID. Remember, if you click on add AWS ID and if you give your friend's ID and click on share AMI, this AMI will be visible for your friend. And can you share it to your entire organization also? Remember, we discussed about organizations, but different accounts. Can you share it to the completely another organization? Yes, you can. If you just add organization, it will get added. Nana, do you all understand? So that is edit AMI permissions. So next is from this AMI, we can launch an EC2 instance. No. While launching the EC2 instance, it can be on demand also, it can be spot also. So did I show you how to spot the machine? While launching the EC2 instance, I click on customize and give the base price. So same thing, you can spot it. Spot meaning launching the EC2 instance with the spot model. Okay. Manage tax is fine. Deregister AMI meaning public here would mean to all within organization. Public image meaning it is for everyone or it's only for organization? Everyone. Remember, it's everyone. Rupali. Nana, change description. Can you change the description here? You can change it. And then here, manage AMI deprecation. What is it, Nana? Manage AMI deprecation. What is deprecation meaning? What is deprecation meaning? You don't know what is deprecation? Deprecation means, can I say it is like expire? You tell me. There are how many types of load balances are there? Which one is the previous generation? Previous generation meaning slowly it will get deprecated. Slowly it will get deprecated meaning expired. That means removing off. So if I go and click on manage AMI deprecation, do you see this here? Here, do we have any deprecation time here? No. So let's say, for example, in your real time, we are all working in the same project. So we might be having so many AMIs. How do I say not to use this AMI? Can I go and do the deprecation? Can I call it as this is old AMI? Don't use it. It's going to expire. Right? So if you have so many images in the real time, if you should not use it, I can go and set the deprecation time. Deprecation time meaning you should not use it. Understood? So you can set the time. Just go ahead and then click on AMI deprecation. See here, you can deprecate an AMI to indicate this is out of date and should not be used. And enable it. And what time, at what time it should get deprecated, mention it. And will you able to use this? No. You can also specify a future deprecation date for an AMI indicating when the AMI should be out of date. So here like this. If you don't do it and enable it, and if you do it immediately, it will get deprecated. Otherwise, enable and set the time. So please write this down. These options was not there before. These are newly created options by AWS based on the requirements. Okay, Nana? Okay. So can you uncheck the deprecation if at all you want to come back? Yes, you can. Okay, so that is deprecation. And then registered instance store backed AMIs. Remember, EBS volumes are created from EBS snapshots. Volumes are created from snapshots. And also I told you, instance store volumes are created from template stored in S3. Excellent. Template stored in S3. So if at all you have those kind of templates in S3, you can register that instance store back to AMIs, but don't do it. If you click on register, it will ask S3 link. If you give the link and register, that instance store ISV backed images will get registered over here, but we don't use it. Just in case if you have requirement, if anyone put any template in S3, you can register for here. Okay, now. And then disable AMI. If you click on disable AMI, what will happen, Nana? After you disable an AMI, it is made private and the state is changed to disable. Can you launch an EC2 instance if it is disabled? No. So disable meaning don't use it. You cannot use it. Okay. So write down this. Hold on, I modify it. Disable AMI option is to made private. Disable. Yeah. Okay, let's move on. That is through Lambda, Ashok. Nana, is this clear? Everything, all the actions here, one by one, right? And you got these many certification questions. You see how much you're learning. Try to feel it, okay? Otherwise, images, copy of the operating system is called the image. Ho gaya, bas. Right? So this is the deeper level of learning the concepts. Okay, na? So there is nothing left here on the images now. Okay? So we'll talk about the recycle bin slowly. So now, as we have completed this, here, let's see the snapshots. Images we have created, no? How many images we have created? 2 images. Now tell me, how many snapshots will be there? Click on snapshot and right answer. Because each image has its own volume. Understood? So let's talk about the images, snapshot. Same options is there. So owned by me, private snapshots, public snapshots. Same concept. If you go to Nana, snapshots are created. What is snapshot? Point in time copy of the volume. But did I show you how to create a volume? No. So creating a volume, I'll show you in the next class. So assume that we already have a snapshot now. Creating a volume and taking the snapshot of the volume, I'll show it in the next time. So for now, assume that we already have a snapshot. Okay, we already have a snapshot. From this snapshot, what you can create? Volume can create, yes or no? So how much is this snapshot, Nana? 10 GB. From here, can I create a volume? Yes, how? Create volume from the snapshot. Oh, this snapshot has availability zones? Snapshot has availability zones. Yes or no? Snapshot has availability zones or not? Yes or no? Answer is no. Images has availability zone? No, those are backups. No, backups doesn't have any availability zones. So the snapshot doesn't have the availability zone. From this snapshot, can you create a volume? And that volume has availability zone? We can select, right? See here. Create volume from the snapshot. How much size? 10 GB. Is it mandatory that I should have 10 GB? No, while creating it, I can increase to how much ever I want. But is it possible to decrease? No. Very good. So here do you see, I can select the availability zone. But creating the volumes, I'll show you in the next class. Okay, select it here. And then, did I told you this? The question that you have asked. So now, let's say, see this. Now I have an EC2 instance. EC2 instance has a volume. What volume? Root volume. From this root volume, okay, from this EC2 instance, okay, from this root volume, can I create a snapshot? For the root volume, can I create a snapshot? What does the root volume contain? OS. And if I take a snapshot out of it, what does the snapshot contain? OS. From this snapshot, can I create an image as it has OS? Create image from the snapshot. Logic. Right? So remember, from this image snapshot also you can create a image. Click on create image. So give the names and then click on create image. Okay, now select it and next option, copy snapshot. Can you copy the snapshot from one region to the other region like how we did for image? Can you encrypt also? Of course, copy it and then do the encryption. Same thing. Select and then delete snapshot. Yes. Snapshot setting. Oh, this is a new one. This was not there before. Few weeks before also it's not there. Okay. So previously modify permissions were there. Modify permissions meaning you know what is that? Sharing it to other account. So if you click on modify permissions, can you make the snapshot public? Yes. Can you share it to other account also? Yes. That is modify permissions there. And then manage snapshot lock was not there. Otherwise, I could have told you in the theory. What is there? Did I say this? No. So basically, if I feel manage snapshot lock, meaning you can lock the snapshot. Can you create a volume out of it? If you lock it, no. That is what I feel because I also don't know this is a new option, right? So click on it and let's see. Lock your snapshot to protect them against accidental or malicious deletions. Same thing. To store them in WARM. Did I tell you about WARM? No. Okay, that's fine. So WARM meaning WARM concept, you will get it in S3. WARM meaning write once, read many times. What is that? Write once, read many times. You might have here. Write once, read many times. So basically, if you log the snapshot, what will happen is, Nana? So it will stop from accidental deletions. So no one will be deleted. Remember, termination option is there for EC2 instance. No, similarly for snapshot also newly got introduced. Can you delete the snapshot? Let's say, for example, you have the critical volume and you have take the backup. The backup is nothing but snapshot. All the snapshot will be there. Some junior, some stupid, what he did, he selected and pushed, click on delete. Can you restore it? Your backup is gone. So as this is the problematic scenarios, so AWS came up with a new option called manage snapshot lock. If you lock, can you delete it? That is a concept. So if we click on the lock, it'll get, whoa, do you see this? Lock for how much time it is. So governance mode and compliance mode. The snapshot is locked for a specific period, but it can be unlocked at any time by the users with permissions. That is governance mode. Compliance mode, the snapshot is locked for a specific period. It can't be unlocked after the cooling off period expires. Do you see this? Nice, no? You understood? Illa. I know. Right? So there are two types of, okay, you should I should say in your that language. How many types of locks are there for snapshots? 2 types. This is correct. So number one is governance. How many modes are there? 2 types of modes. So one is governance mode, another one is compliance mode. What are the 2 types of modes? Governance mode. Babu, if you get habituated like this, you cannot learn other courses from other trainers. I'm telling you. Huh? So governance mode meaning, if you lock the snapshot, anytime you can go and unlock if you have permissions. That is governance mode. If it is compliance mode, what is happening? If you lock it, let's say you have locked it for 6 months, you cannot unlock for 6 months. After 6 months, after expiring, you can unlock. That is the one. Is it good to write? Because I didn't write in the paint, no? Please write snapshots. Snapshot lock. That's a new topic. Snapshot lock. Option. Done? Okay, good. So you can lock snapshot and until time or number of days also you can lock it. Then you say cooling off period. Cooling off period is for your compliance mode. Is it clear? So that is good one. You know this. What is that? FSR. What is it? FSR. What is FSR? Fast snapshot restore. It is free or billable? It's billable. So now let's say, for example, I have 10 GB, and if I want to fastly restore this snapshot, so you can, this is basically additional feature. If you enable it, it will be super fast for you, but don't enable it. Or how to do? If you click on manage, by default it is disable, and select in which availability zone your volumes or snap volumes should be, and click on enable. Don't do it, please. It will be charged. If you enable it, then automatically the snapshot that are enabled for fast snapshot restore, to restore volume that are fully initialized at creation. So when it get created, you can immediately use it. You don't need to wait for a longer period of time. Okay, now that is called fast snapshot restore. Don't do it. So, and then how many types of archivings are there? Storage tier. There are in snapshot, there are two types of storage tiers. What are those? Standard and archive tier. Yes or no? Standard and archive. By default, which one is that? Standard. So if you don't want to use this snapshot, can you archive it? Yes. And you get the good discount or not? Yes. So how to archive? Click on archive snapshot. But it is, how much time will it take to restore it? 24 to 72 hours. And it is free? No, it is billable. Don't do it. But it's just matter of click on archive and click on archive snapshot. But don't do it. So once you click on archive snapshot, the storage tier is standard. No, this will change to archive. So, and if you want to use it, can you use it when it is archive mode? No, you need to restore it and then come to the standard tier and then create a volume out of it. So those are archive options. You can restore from. Now it is grayed out. Why? Because it is in standard mode. If it is in archive mode, then this will be enabled. You understand in real time? Can you manage it in the real time? Clear on the snapshots concept? And then, is it clear? Is that Glacier? No, no, no. It is not Glacier. Only the storage tier will be going to the archive, not to the Glacier. Drupal. No. And is this clear on the snapshots, everyone? Any questions online? Is it clear? There is a question. Sir, enabling a region is chargeable as I'm in KSA. KSA meaning? Korea? Kenya? Which one? Saudi? Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Okay. We are not in Saudi, no, to understand. Okay. KSA by default, AZ is North Virginia, Middle East is disabled. No problem. You can enable. It will not be charged. Okay. Abdul Bhai. Sir, if we delete the volume and it automatically snapshot also get deleted, you tell me this. You only tell me. Supriya is asking, sir, if I delete the volume, snapshot also get deleted automatically? Did anywhere in the any points and anywhere did I ask this question? If we didn't ask this question, answer is no. If it is there, then I could have definitely. So whatever the question that you get in your mind, or before itself, I'm putting everything in Paint. So there is no chance. So if you delete the volume, snapshot will be deleted? No. Then what is the use of snapshot? Backup. Logic. If you're deleting volume, if snapshot is also getting deleted automatically, there is no point of the backup. No. So snapshots will be there. Okay. So now if it is clear, then what do we do is, did we talk about recycle bin? Recycle bin. Yes or no? So what is recycle bin? Yes. If you delete images or snapshots, all these things will come into the recycle bin. So all will come, or based on the tags also will come? Based on the tags also will come. Should we go and try it out? Very easy. So here, before that, you need to have the tags, no? Before that, you need to have a tags. Okay, let's say, for example, so these snapshots are created from AMIs, no? So what we do, I'll copy the snapshot. Okay. Let's say copy snapshot in the same region. I'll copy it. Okay. So we call it as test, for example. So very good. I have this snapshot, Nana. Assume that is a very important snapshot. If someone delete this snapshot, it should get in the recycle bin. Should we test it? Let's do test. No, see, in real time, you tell me, do I will be playing with all these things? My team is there. So as I see the here options, I'm showing you on the spot. Okay. So let's go and try to do it. Okay. So now let's go to, okay, before that we need to have a tag, no? So here do you see tag? So let's maintain the tags. Is it the tag I need to put it only for one snapshot or all the snapshot, whichever you want to take it? All. So at the moment, how many are there? One. So should I take it one? In real time, if you have many also, can you maintain the same tag for all the snapshot? Yes. So here I just go and click on manage tags and add a tag. What is the tag we'll add? It can be anything. It should be key value. Can you tell me anything? मेरे चैन सारे Bolo. Okay, Drupal said backup. So I'll say backup. I'll say yes. Backup. Yes. This is a tag. So save. So for this test, so I'm maintaining the tag called backup is equal to yes. So can I maintain it for other whichever snapshots also I want to take it? So whichever the snapshot that I want to take the backup, so maintain the same tag. Then in recycle bin, I'll create a rule. Babu, if any snapshot has backup is equal to yes, if that got deleted, to recycle bin. Understand? Should I do it? So I'm doing it for only one thing here. Okay. So let's go to recycle bin. Okay, na? Click on it. They didn't resolve this. Okay. This is a bug. What is this arrow mark symbol represent? What is this? New tab. What is that? New tab. So when I click on it, it should open a new tab or not? But if I click on it, is it opening new tab? No, it is not opening. So that is a bug or not? Test case failed. This is what test case failed. So I'm just opening. Okay. There's no. Okay. Click on. Okay. See here. So I wanted to open a snapshot in another window. Recycle bin. I'll go. Okay. Okay, Dana. So I'm in my recycle bin. Should I go and create a retention rule? Let's go and create a retention rule. So call it as snapshot backups. Give some name. Resource. Resource should be your snapshot or AMIs. Snapshot. Can you do it for AMIs also? But maintain the tags. Maintain the tags. So I'm going for the snapshot. Apply to all resource. If I say apply to all the resource, what will happen? All snapshots will come. All snapshot will come. So anyone deleted any nasty snapshot also, that will come and sit here. But do you need all type of all resources? No. Should be. So I told you, you can go with the all resources also, or you can go with the tags also. So you see the tag here. What is our tag? Backup. Do you see? Backup is equal to yes. Add it. So if any snapshot has this tag backup is equal to automatically, I mean, if you delete that, automatically will come to the recycle bin. Okay. Retention. How long will you want to keep it here in recycle bin? Maximum 1 year you can keep it. So I'll keep it in 1 day. 1 day, after 1 day, it will get deleted automatically. In your laptop also, no, if you create any retention rules in your recycle bin, every day you do shift delete, no? Shift delete, shift delete. So shift delete means completely deleted. If you delete it, it will go to recycle bin. For how much time the data should be there in recycle bin? If you say retention period is 1 day. That meaning after 1 day in recycle will also get deleted. So that is your retention period. So should I go and create a rule now? Simple. Create a rule. Now I went to the snapshot and Pusuk deleted this. Delete snapshot. Let's try. Gone. Then you will start crying, oh, my snapshot, someone got deleted in real time. Because that is an important backup. Don't know what is there inside, but it is an important backup. So if you don't have created recycle bin, then gone case. If you have not created a retention rule, gone. But if you have created retention rule now, let's go to the rule here. And then, or do you see on the left side? Resources. Click on it. It's not here yet. So, so successfully created. So you need to, do I need to hard refresh? Where did I create it? In Mumbai region only, no? No, Babu, it should be in resources only. Snapshot only, no? We deleted. No. No. So, but it should come because I created from the AMI snapshot, no? Let's say if you have a normal snapshot, actually it should come. It should not be like this. Okay, should we create, should we delete image and try? Sir, not sure we add to snapshot. Yes, for snapshot I have added the tag, no? Okay, let's try. Okay, so maybe let's take let's try for AMI. Definitely it will work. Somewhere we have did the wrong configuration. Simple as that. Okay. So now let's go and try to add this. Let's try to delete image and see. But I'm one thing I'm getting in my mind. Let's try. Backup, yes, right? Tell me something else. Okay. So, okay, no problem, right? So we say backup is equal to yes. Doesn't matter. Whatever is not working, we should try that only. But this also I'll say backup is equal to yes. Oh, is it case sensitive? Let's say. Okay, should we go and create a recycle bin here? So create a rule. Create a rule. AMI backup. So I say resource type AMIs, and then I call it as backup is equal to yes, add. Correct. Create rule. So I'm thinking rule should create first or tag should be created first. Let's see. You can lock it. You can edit the rule also. That's fine. So let's go here and then should you first it? Delete it? Let's see. Delete. Gone. So now if I come here, go to resources. See this? So now I have the AMIs. Can I recover it? If so, someone deleted my images here. Someone deleted my images here. Okay. So what was the problem? Maybe the value should be case sensitive. I said small y, no? Maybe try it out. So if someone has deleted my images and if you feel sorry, array, someone deleted my images, just go and check in the recyclable images are there, and select one and then click on recover. Click on recover resources. And if I go here and I refresh it, I see the images here. You understand recycle bin? Clear? Now clear, everyone online? Online, is it clear for you, everyone? So do you all understand the concepts of today, AMI and the snapshots? AMI and the snapshots? Will you able to do the practicals for this? Nice. Okay, I am asking you one question, certification question. You should tell correct answer. Don't say the wrong and then right. So we have images, we have snapshots, correct? Which one should be deleted first? Snapshots are AMIs. Can I delete the snapshots now? Which one should be deleted first? So if I delete snapshot, will get deleted or not? Wow. Wow. That's right answer. So snapshots are children. Parents are AMIs. So children came from parents only. So is it possible to delete the child first? No, you need to delete the parent first. For that reason, child, because generally, but if there is no parent and if you have a directly snapshot created, can you delete it? Yes. But this is link is there, no, inherited, no. So from parent, we have the child. So first you need to delete the parent and then child. Is it possible to delete the child first? No. So that is also one certification question. So snapshot which are created from AMIs, snapshots should be deleted. AMI should be deleted first. Very good. So I'm writing this here. The snapshots which are created from AMI, if these snapshots has to be deleted, first delete corresponding AMIs and then snapshots. After delete snapshot, can you change the, yes, you can change the rules, no issues. Okay now? Clear? Super. So will you able to do this practicals? So first, which one should be deleted? AMIs. Before that, first I need to delete what? Retention rules, right? So otherwise it will come and sit here again. Delete rule. Delete rule. So no retention rules. No resources. So which one should be deleted first? AMIs. Delete. Delete AMI and then delete the snapshots. And then terminate the EC2 instance. Okay, you do that enough. Actually, I thought to give you lifecycle manager also, but that's fine. We'll take it in next class. Huh? Okay. I can hear some other noise. Ghost. Priyanka. So, yeah. Okay. Any other questions? So what I'll do, I'll upload the task in the Google Classroom. So what you do is complete those tasks before you come into the class on Monday. Okay. Any questions, Anna? Looks like it is React class. Huh? Uh-huh. Oh no, maybe in parallel you might have joined some other class on the browser. Maybe, I don't know. You need to select that Vishaka. Okay, okay. Okay, ma, Priyanka, noted. How to access Google Classroom? Google Classroom link, please. Check with your admin, please. Okay, Nana. So can I give the final CC for today, please? So please complete those practicals. And in next class, we'll talk about volumes. We'll deal with the volumes. Okay. Volumes and data lifecycle manager, we'll talk about it. Right. So everything is comfortable for you, right? Learning the theory logicals first, and then slowly doing one by one practicals on each and every topic, right? This is how we'll be doing it. No hurry, nothing. Okay. Okay, Nana. So that is all, guys, for today. And I'll see you on Monday with the next topic. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day and see you on Monday. Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.